AI videos are getting out of control now. It keeps getting more advanced day by day. Not only that, AI-generated content are dominating social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. I'm sure that you have all seen these types of videos with millions of views as an example. This YouTube channel called Max in Football has gained 8.5 million subscribers with AI-generated football videos. That's crazy, not only for the football niche. You can do this with any niche. Would you like to learn how to create videos like this within several minutes and become the next level AI content creator on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram? If the answer is yes, keep watching this video. By the end of this video, you will become a master of AI video creation. Demo AI-generated time travel movie. First, let me show you a cool AI movie I created.
Alex, a temporal displacement specialist. In simpler terms, I'm a time traveler. Today's jump should be routine. Past New York, here I come. Whoa, 1980s New York is intense. The energy, the grit, it's all so raw. Wait, is that? Oh no, I shouldn't be here. I need to leave before I change anything. But one little peek won't hurt, right? Just a quick look around. The Twin Towers, they're still standing. It's surreal. Oh God, what have I done? I interfered. I need to get back to my time now. Initiating return sequence. Please work, please work. Back to my time. Let's see how 2180 New York is doing. What the? This isn't right. Where are the floating gardens, the sky bridges, the air? It's thick, polluted. This isn't the future I left. Everything's different. The butterfly effect in action. I've created a paradox.
I know that's a crazy-ass video that you didn't expect. Introducing InVideo AI tool. Would you believe me if I said it only took me several minutes and one single prompt to create that video? You have to believe me. The crazy tool that I used to create is called InVideo AI. I know this tool is not a new word for AI video creation. They just launched their version 3.0, which is a generative AI model. There are around 35 different models that you can use to generate different types of videos. With this tool, we can easily create next-level AI videos. Once you sign up for your InVideo account, click this Create AI Video option, and then you need to select this version 3.0 from this top menu. Tutorial: creating a 30-second AI clip. Now click this workflow feature to use all workflows. As you can see here, we have several workflows for different types of video. I'm going to try these workflows one by one. First, I'm going to try this 30-second AI clip model. As you can see here, you can change the duration of this video up to 120 seconds. Then you can select the platform you want to post this video. I'm going to select TikTok from this, and let's create a video about the Tiana boa snake. Guys, make sure to select the only generative media option for this. For the background music, I'm gonna add scary music. Then you can select a suitable subtitle style for this video as well. After that, you need to select the language for this video. Then I'm gonna select a male voice with an American accent to narrate this video. Then you can select the style of the video you want from this list. And that's all. Click this Generate a Video option to complete the video. Once the script of your video is ready, you will come to this page. You can select the suitable audience, media pace, and platform from this, and click this Continue option, and it will start to generate your video. This process will take several minutes, and let's see the final video.
Explored the far corners of our planet, but nothing could prepare me for this prehistoric giant, the Titanoboa, a creature of such immense proportions that it challenges our very understanding of nature's capabilities. Imagine, if you will, a snake longer than a bus and heavier than a ton, slithering through the lush forests of ancient Colombia. This extraordinary reptile, which lived some 58 million years ago, was not just a larger version of...
This looks amazing. Now, I'm gonna use this anime-style model to make a motivational anime story. The process is similar to before. You can select the suitable background sound and AI voice for this video. Creating an anime-style motivational story. Make sure to customize these correctly like we did before. And this is going to be a long video, so it will take several minutes than before to generate this video. Looks like the video has been generated. Let's take a look at this.
Hey there, I'm Kai, and I'm gonna tell you about my great-great-grandpa, the coolest villager ever. Long ago, In a tiny village nestled between misty mountains, there lived a young man named Hiroshi. Hiroshi was always full of energy, with messy hair and a big smile. He loved to climb trees and explore the forests, but he felt like something was missing. He dreamed of leaving the village to explore the world and find his fortune.
This one is better than the previous video. Guys, if you want to edit this video, you can use this text box. Editing features and language conversion. All you need to do is type what you need to do. As an example, let's convert all the captions into capital letters. Just type it here, and it will convert all the letters to capital within seconds. Now, if you want to convert this video into another language, you can do that as well as example. Let's convert this video to Japanese. Just type it here and let's see the results. Converting custom scripts to AI videos. Now let's try to convert our own script into an AI-generated video. For that, select this script to AI video model. Now I'm going to paste the whole script to this. This is a script about what if all the dinosaurs never went extinct. And just like we did before, you need to select the background music, AI, voiceover, and captions style for this video for the AI voice. You can even clone your own voice. Now I'm going to use one of the female voices that I'm using for my channel. In What If niche, let me show you how to do that. First, go to the homepage and select this voice option. Now, if you click this, you need to upload a 30-second quality voice clip of the voice you want to clone. And make sure to add this part, which is I give InVideo AI the permission to use my voice in this workspace. And then you need to tick all these boxes, and this tool will create the clone of that voice. Now you can rename it here. Now if you go back to here, you can select that voice from here and use it for this video, and then we can add other details. For this video, I'm going to select this cyberpunk style and let's generate this video.
"66 million years ago, an asteroid the size of a city collided with Earth, triggering the mass extinction that wiped out 75% of all life, including the mighty dinosaurs. But what if that asteroid had missed its mark? What if dinosaurs never went extinct?" To understand this alternate reality, let's first consider the dominant species. Dinosaurs ruled the Earth for over 165 million years, far longer than humans have existed. If they had continued to thrive, mammals might never have risen to prominence. Without mammals, the evolutionary branch leading to primates and eventually humans could have been severed entirely. Dinosaurs, incredibly diverse creatures, occupied nearly every ecological niche, from apex predators like the Tyrannosaurus rex to gentle herbivores like Brachiosaurus. If they persisted, Earth's ecosystems would look radically different. What about intelligent life? Could dinosaurs have evolved higher cognitive abilities? Some paleontologists speculate that certain species, like Troodon, with their relatively large brain-to-body ratio, might have had the potential for advanced intelligence.
Wow, I know. It was amazing. And it was like watching a movie. It's so simple and smooth to use that it feels effortless, letting you focus completely on your ideas and vision. And guys, with that, today's video has come to an end. And I hope you learned some valuable information from this video. I will see you guys in the next one.